Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Google account, an app or site to monetize, and payment/tax details for payouts. Once done, open the AdMob sign-up page and sign in with that Google account. Make sure to accept terms and choose the correct country and currency because those affect payments. Next, pick whether you're adding an Android or iOS app. If it's not published yet, choose Add App manually. This gets you to the dashboard where ad units are created. You then link AdMob to AdSense for payments and tax handling. AdMob prompts this during onboarding. Follow it carefully. Once linked, create your app entry and immediately add the ad unit types you need, such as banners, interstitials, and rewarded ads. Each ad unit generates unique ID. After adding units, copy the app ID and ad unit ID into your app project. Make sure to choose appropriate ad formats for user experience, because wrong formats lower revenue and increase churn. Finish by integrating the Google Mobile Ads SDK into your app, initializing it with the app ID, and replacing placeholders with your ad unit ID. Once integrated, run the app on a test device and enable test ads or register your device to avoid policy violations. After successful testing, complete payment setup and tax forms in AdSense, confirm account verification, and enable ad serving. If ads don't appear, check Logcat or Console for SDK errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.